One question I get asked a lot in statistics is how do I get from one variance formula to the other? And this is what I will prove in today's video. Before we start, a note on notation. When we have sigma x, what we mean is the sum of all the xi terms between I is equal to 1 and n. So what we want is x1 plus x2 all the way up to xn. In this proof, I will use the following three results. First, sigma mu x is equal to mu sigma x. Because mu is a constant, I can take it outside of the summation. This is essentially the same as taking mu outside as a common factor. Second result, sigma mu squared is equal to n mu squared. I'm adding mu squared n times, hence the sum is equal to n mu squared. And finally, since mu is equal to sigma x over n, I can rearrange and write sigma x as n times mu. So now let's move to the proof. Let's start with our first formula. Sigma squared is equal to the summation of x minus mu squared over n. I will expand the numerator and get x squared minus 2 mu x plus mu squared. And then I'll split into three separate summations. Let's rewrite these using the results of the previous page to get sum of x squared minus 2 mu sum of x plus n mu squared all over n. Next, I will use the third result of the previous page. The middle term now will be 2 mu times n mu, which I will simplify. And know how these two terms are like terms, so I can simplify them. And this will give me sum of x squared minus n mu squared over n. I'll split this into two separate fractions, and for the second fraction, I'll cross out the n. And finally, get the second formula, sum of x squared over n minus mu squared. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like it and subscribe to our channel.